Welcome back to Theresa.is.Dead. My name is Theresa and I'm very much alive. And if you're new here, welcome. I have an awful garbage mouth. If you're not into that or weird shit in general, then this is not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. Guys, I know this is where I normally do my story, but due to the fact that I'm going on vacation very fucking soon and I could fucking taste it, work decided to just murder me every fucking day until I leave. So with that said, I have to go into work extremely early tomorrow, fucking do late hours for the next few days, big deadlines, all kinds of bullshit before I go on vacation on Wednesday. So in the event of just trying to keep this video short, there is going to be no story, but there will be stories in the next few videos. So I'm really sorry, but I figured we could talk about this. So I received my Beautylish box and I had such an awful fucking day that this is the only thing that's actually gonna make me feel better. However, I have seen other people open their boxes and so far I have not been impressed. And I have a sick feeling that I'm gonna get a shit box. So I figured, you know what? Why don't we do my genuine reaction to this? This could be fun or disasterful. It depends on how you look at it. And we'll go from there. I am going to open my box with my trusty box cutter, also known as a knife. Okay.
The eye ducts.
Bad unboxing! So once you stab the box open, you get this adorable little paper. Honestly, I really love this. So far, so good.
Watch that be the best part of it.
Shut up. Don't jinx me, alright?
It's the box is already in your hand. It can't get worse.
I don't know what to do. Okay.
You open it.
Okay, so in this box you get this adorable wrapping paper. You get this little tag here that's like, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. So once you get past the adorable paper and this stuff, oh, I feel like I did not like what I just saw. So here's everything in this tiny little box, and I already feel the disappointment. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this Oribe. It's
definitely not Orbeez.
I want to say Oribe so badly.
You put water on those and they grow.
This is the Mystify Restyling Spray. The fuck do you do with this? I wish I had my glasses, that would be nice. Shake and mist on next day hair. Okay. All right. The next thing. Okay, so this is like the thing that I think everybody gets, and it says coming soon from Beautylish, and it's this new brand.
The brand called coming soon?
No, the brand's called Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum, formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Mmm.
They say peptides like everyone knows what that means.
You don't know what peptides are?
Absolutely not.
Fucking loser.
Damn it.
Just call you a bitch. Bottle is really adorable though.
That's a way smaller bottle than box.
I mean,
Hold side to side. Side to side it. Come on.
okay, so the box is this big.
Like, I get that it's new, but come on, at least. Anyway.
Can you tell the disappointment in my face? Because it's real.
I can tell in the tone of your voice.
It's real, bitch. All right.
Breathe.
I know what this is, and I'm so not happy. Yeah. Oh, bitch! Oh, bitch! This is a fucking good day! Alright. I'm so fucking excited. Bitch! Okay, alright. So that's actually a genuine reaction, too. So this is the... and I'm pretty sure I just scared them next door. Yeah, so, fuck them. Yeah, alright, this is the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder, the Veil Setting Powder, and I have a fucking mini version of this, and I'm almost done, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go repurchase the big one. Bitch, I don't got to now! I got this one, bitch! I'm so excited. It's worth it now. The box is worth it. Yay! I have to say, lately, I think it's maybe because I'm getting a little bit older or whatever, I feel like the cracks underneath my eyes are really fucking prominent these days. So I actually used this morning to set my eyes and they look pretty good. Not right now because I've had a real rough day, like a rough day. But normally...
13 hours ago.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But I really love this stuff. Oh my god, I'm so fucking excited. Okay. It's like Christmas, but in January.
And you paid for it.
And I paid for it. The next thing is a Wayne Goss brush, which I'm excited about because I've never had a Wayne Goss brush. And this is the number 15. I'm assuming that this is a highlighter brush. Oh, that's right, because there's fucking tape there. That's why. Because I'm like, why is this not coming off? Ooh, bitch. That feels nice. Oh, I like that. You know, I'm a little teeny tiny itty bitty baby disappointed because in other videos I've seen cheek brushes. Yes, hi.
Question?
Yes.
Why did you fake do the brush on your cheek? Curious. Hey, you said I could chime in. I'm just curious. Hey there. Why this? Not even actual touch, it's the this. Okay, I'm going back now.
Go back before I take this Wayne Goss brush and shove it so far before. So yeah, okay, I didn't attach it to my skin. But now, did. It's very, very soft. Fucking Alex, god damn it. I'm a little teeny tiny bit disappointed only because I wanted an eye brush that looked really cool. But whatever, beggars can't be choosers. I'm very happy to even own a Wayne Goss brush because I've never had one before, so I'm gonna shut the fuck up. The next thing is, oh bitch, it's a VISEART palette. Nice, bitch. Okay, it is the Theory palette, which is this little guy right here. Okay.
They can put that review on the back of a box.
Oh. Okay, here's the thing. Very beautiful. I think they're beautiful colors.
End of list.
I mean, ironically, no, it kind of looks like the shit that I actually have on my eyes today, which is really funny. Except this is Lethal Cosmetics, kind of.
Oh yeah, it actually does.
Similar color story.
So, anyway, I really do... I like it. I guess I was just anticipating like a pop. Okay, here's the thing. Let me shut the fuck up because I feel like if they were to go with a more colorful option, right, people would be pissed because normally a lot of people do not gravitate towards color. It makes the most sense to kind of have like this very neutral basic palettes. Totally makes sense. I get it. I'm just being an obnoxious twat because I'm like, I want yellows and grays. I don't want fucking browns. So I'm just being an asshole, but really this is very, very pretty. And let's swatch this. It feels weird. Okay, the first color kind of has like a very, 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 very weird feeling. Pigment's there though. I actually recently started getting into VISEART, so there's some swatches there. It looks like half of the palette is matte and the other half is like shimmers. These are really god-awful swatches, by the way, so please don't mind them. I definitely like the shimmers on this guy. The mattes, it's funny, this color actually kind of feels a little rough to the touch. The other two were fine though, and I actually really like the shimmers. If you're interested, let me know if you want me to do a review on this. Or maybe I can use it in like an upcoming get ready with me. I don't know. Let me know down below what you guys think and I'll play around with it. So the last product is this FARMACY Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Wasn't expecting this. Why don't we add everything up? So the FARMACY Clean Bee Cleanser is $28. The VISEART Theory Palette is $45. The Hourglass Veil Setting Powder is $46. The Wayne Goss 15 Fan Brush is $25. The ORIBE Spray is about $22. And there's really nothing about this. So yeah, I have no idea. Was this box really worth it? No, I'm not happy. I'm trying to justify this and it's like, no.
How much was the box?
The box was $75 and this was like, figure almost 50.
Okay.
And this is 25, right? So it kind of equals the two things that I'm most excited about. Followed by this, sort of, but...
How much is that?
This one was 46. Yeah, I know.
46?
Well, VISEART's expensive.
Oh,
so in
yes.
theory, these are the three products that I was excited about. Really these two. This is actually really, what am I even saying? This is the thing that I was most excited about because I was actually going to purchase it. Very, very happy about that. This I was excited about, but I was like, nah, I really wish I got a different brush. But in any case, I was very happy to get a Wayne Goss brush. You know, I'm excited to get VISEART, but I wouldn't have picked this palette, but it totally makes sense why they've chose this palette to be included in the box. I'm just being a fuckface about it. So in theory, no, this box wasn't really worth it. Only because I could have just saved my money and just bought the Hourglass and bought the Wayne Goss brush that I wanted. Yeah. The paper is probably the best part of the box. This is the best part of the box. It is adorable. So I've been watching actually a couple of unboxings on YouTube. There were quite a few variations that I was not excited about because either I own the palette, I fucking hated the palette, or I just bought a palette that looked similar to it. And so I was really nervous to get this box because I just didn't know if I was really gonna like it. I'm pleasantly surprised considering it could have been a lot worse. But at the same time, I'm only excited about like maybe one thing. If we're gonna be real honest, I'm excited about this, right? Because I was actually going to purchase it because I really like this. With that said, I'm not trying to be super fucking dramatic or negative about this, but it's just disappointing. I was hoping for a better selection. But at the end of the day, at least there was one product that I really fucking wanted. And to me, doesn't make it any better. Doesn't make it worth it at all. If anything, it makes me sad that I just spent a lot of money on this box. But will I do it again, you know, for next year? Probably. Why? Because I'm a glutton for punishment and I never fucking learn. So, can't wait for Beautylish 2020 bag. Let me know down below if you received a Beautylish bag, if you got the small bag or the extra large bag or whatever. Let me know what you got in yours. If you did get one of these bags, I hope you really enjoyed it. Not mad, I'm just disappointed. But I will say though, this is a way better experience than the Jeffree Star box, which the Jeffree Star box was pure shit. I think the thing that really sets this apart from the Jeffree Star box is that there are actual variations. Unlike the Jeffree Star box where I felt like everybody literally got the same box for the most part, with the exception of maybe one or two products that were, you know, interchangeable. I've seen multiple videos of people opening up different products, so that's cool. So I have to kind of commend Beautylish for that. But again, it's a gamble. So like currently, like how I feel about it, it's just like, no, it wasn't really worth it because I was only really excited about one thing as opposed to the whole lot. But that's not to say that, you know, someone else's experience would be completely different, obviously. So maybe, you know, I'm imagining that there's probably a lot of people that were really excited with everything that they got in their box, but also doesn't help when you are a fucking makeup collector because you pretty much own everything at this point, right? Or at the very least. So that's the other thing, like, I kind of want to keep in the back of my mind is that this is kind of a waste.
I mean, at least you're aware.
You know, it is a waste in a way because it's just, you're taking like that 50-50 chance of like getting something that you already own, and then it's like, well, what do you do with that? You either gift it to somebody, you try to sell it online,
Throw it against the wall.
Or throw it against the wall, or throw it against your fucking neighbor's head. But for me, it's just like, it's such a pain in the ass to fucking sell things. Plus, I've never done it before. I usually just wind up giving my shit away anyway to like friends and family and stuff like that. But I do have to commend Beautylish for at least making their boxes different and people having different experiences with it. That to me is really fucking cool. I just wish that I liked the contents of my box more. It's better than the Jeffree Star box, so that's automatically a win in my book. So on that note, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, blah, 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 blah. Oh, by the way, when we're actually in California, we're going to be doing live streams. I know. But it's going to be on Alex's channel, so I'll link his channel down below. And it's probably going to be, like, our first live stream will probably be January 30th?
Yeah.
January 30th. We're going to be in Disneyland. I don't know.
Your eyes out.
Just keep your eyes out.
We'll be on and off.
So I'll link his channel down below, you know, and just kind of whatever. And plus I'll put it on Instagram when we're doing it and shit like that. So, all right, on that note, yeah. So I guess I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye.
Bye. Sorry.